I'm Cassandra Birrenkott. I am an associate professor in mechanical engineering. My family also took a trip down to Cape Canaveral, Florida, and I met an astronaut. And he said, you know, there's a lot of folks that need to stay on the ground and help with programs like the space program. And we have a lot of support in the engineering fields for that. And that kind of kick-started this, why you want to be an engineer. And so then I moved on to engineering. I came to school mines and I loved it. I got involved in research and loved that. But I still had this teaching vein. Maybe I still wanted to teach. And so this was one way that I could combine the engineering, the research, and the teaching all at one time. It provides a really great environment for an undergraduate education where you can get your hands on almost anything you want in the lab. You can get involved in any project you want. You can do research with any professor that you want. The professors really care about students here. I think women are very careful in their thought processes a lot of times. And so when we're thinking through problems, we have a different way of thinking through those problems. And so I think that having both of those mindsets where the women are maybe thinking in one direction and have a little more different side of their creativity than the men would, I think those make really good engineering teams. Every field involves engineers. And so I think just showing those possibilities is really important to being able to get a lot more women into science and engineering earlier. There's a lot of new things going on and a lot of new science and a lot of new engineering and a lot of new big projects that we have to tackle as engineers. And seeing our students graduate and go on to tackle those big projects is really cool. You can go anywhere. You really can, yeah. You don't even have to do engineering. It's a problem-solving degree.